his responsiveness to our matter was very important because he was always a phone call, a text message away. And that made a very big difference to us. Unfortunately, our partner passed away 2 years ago, and that caused a little bit of a problem in our business.
When a estate of our partner got involved, it created a lot of delays in decision making.
When me and Leo met, he looked over the whole situation and said, look, I will get you into a settlement in 90 days. And he came through. We had to adjust, recuperate, and kind of rebuild to be able to continue and move forward. Jacob's PC really helped us and guided us and kind of held our hand through the process and did all that work behind with the other party's attorneys, where we were able to concentrate on business.
Thankfully for Jacob's PC, he was able to aggressively make progress.
And most importantly, he pulled us out of the fire. Leo Jacob's PC is very highly recommended. They keep their word, they're very responsive, and most importantly, they make you feel comfortable.